Good morning, Talli. Good morning. Say loudly, good morning. Okay, look at this flashcard of numbers. Arrange them in order. Are you ready? Very good. Can you start? 0. Where is 0? Zero after 1. Where is 1 number? Very good. Very good. 1 after 2. 2. 2 after 3. Where is 3 number? 3. 3 after 4. Where is 4 number? Take this 4 number. 4. 4 after 5. 5. 5 after 6. Where is 6 number? 6. 6 after 7. 7. 7 after 8. 8. 8 after no 9. 9 after 10. Very good. Look here. Clap everyone. Smile.